Viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Study Point. So today the topic of our video is how can we change the file format of Word document. So first of all, I will select a blank document from here. You can enter a text, diagram, tables according to your choice, but I am going to add some text here. And now I want to save my file, so I will use this save option. You can browse a folder wherever you want to save your file. So there is an option of file name. So here's an option of save as type. It's a by default file format Word document. You can change according to your choice, and here's a lot of options. So I'm going to select a PDF because PDF is display the exact same content and layout no matter which operating system device it is viewed on. So I think so it's a best option to choose the file format as PDF, and now you can save it. So you can also check it from here. As you can see, it's in PDF format. So viewers, thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.